We just realized we don't know if the Model 3 has an alarm system. Next on Now You Know. All right, so we're in the Model 3 and we should check and see if there's any setting for alarm. I guess I would put it maybe under safety and security. Parking brake, vehicle power. So it's not there. It's not under service. It's not under autopilot. It's not under driving. It's not under display. Locks. Would it be under locks? Walk up, unlock, walk away, lock, child protection lock, unlock on park. Lights, no. And it's not under the quick controls. So I'm guessing there's no alarm on the Model 3. How are we gonna prove this? All right, so we just saw that there's no settings for alarms. I'm not sure how we're gonna test this.
Well, I don't know, Zach. Maybe we could like try stealing it or something.
All right, you just go to town. All right, Bobby, so I think we tried everything short of hitting it with a hammer.
Yeah.
And it didn't look like you could make the alarm go off, so I don't think there is an alarm.
I don't think so either. I tried everything. I tried opening all the doors, the front, the trunk. There's no seams that I could seem to pull open, and no alarm went off. No matter how much I fiddled.
I mean, we have the premium package, but yet there's no setting on there for alarms.
Yeah.
You would think there'd be an on-off setting.
You'd think so. I mean, my assumption is that Elon has faith in his security system.
Interesting. So you're saying if it got stolen that you can track it anyway?
I think so, yeah.
All right, well, if you know differently than we do, if you know some secret hidden spot for the alarm system on the Model 3, post your comment down below. Thank you so much for watching, everybody. Now you know.